Hey, it's Andre, and we're out on a nice wintry day, but hey, it's like the first time we've had a chance to fly in months. And look what I've got in my hands, or beside me I should say. It is the Avios Grand Tundra, 1700 millimeter wingspan, 6S power. The thing is a rocket ship. The Tundra, the Durafly Tundra, times 2 as far as just nuts. I mean, the 6S is stunning. So I am super excited about this airplane. Thank you for Hobby King for sending this out to demo and test. As soon as it's released, we'll have Steve from Hobby King on the podcast to talk about it. Again, I'm Andre. This is Avios Grand Tundra. Left, right, up, down. Holy sports car. Wow. Oh, wow. Holy pussycat. That's what I'm going to call this thing. Wow. Bigger does fly better. Well, a little bit more elevator. Alright, we're going to try for a little buzz cut here. Full flaps, not a... I hit the tree. Woo! Full flaps? That was full flaps, yeah. With no elevator adjustments. Oh my goodness. That's quarter throttle. Alright, slower. Tree. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Got your timer on?
Yeah, I do. Oh yeah, we've only been up for a minute or so. Yeah, so I got another 2. I'll bring her in at 4 minutes just because I don't know. I'll try that a little further on with a little bit better rollout. Half laps this time.
Did you have it at full?
Yeah, that's why I kind of dunked into the snow, so I'll give myself a little bit more space and then come in at half laps. Actually full flaps, but I won't touch you on so soon. Oh! Oh, that was awesome. Power. Don't even need the flaps. Wow. There's some good power coming off that stuff.
It doesn't have any stabilization.
No, this
Nothing
is
whatsoever.
nope. This is just I'm running a FR Sky 8-channel receiver. Takes about 5 minutes to put it together, even less, once I get used to it. 4 screws, and and like 6 little fasteners for the struts. There you go, it doesn't care about that. Bump and go.
What's the reason?
Big tires.
I guess they did this to compete with the e-flite Cub and...
This is smaller than the Carbon Z Cub, so this is more like the... You'd compare it to something I would say would be the Fun Cub XL for size, because those things are both 1700 mils.
Okay. The Fun Cub's still in production?
Fun Cub X, I don't know. This is just all they do is plus size and a few little mods to their existing design, which is, you know, the Tundra is a beautiful aircraft.
Yeah.
So Timber's fun. Timber's a fun. It's a good aircraft.
So that's the little one?
Yeah.
He loves that one.
It's hilarious to fly.
Oh, the big one is definitely fun.
Want to shave some paint off that prop. Oh wow! Plenty of go. I've never flown successful, and it's windy, and it is just taking it all. Yeah, good plane. And this is like quarter throttle, maybe a little bit over, 1/3. Yes, yeah. The wind's actually getting a little aggressive, actually. Yeah, you can see it just being kicked around. Doesn't care though. Oh, this thing is nice. So I'm running half rates. It's about 85%, 30% expo, or 85 weight. Yeah. So that's not bad. That's my mediums. Low is just a little sluggish. I want a little bit more up elevator authority, so I'll play with those. Lots of power to get you out of trouble. Slow on the response from the ESC, so I'll calibrate that again, I think. Of course, the batteries have been cold too. I'll do a little elevator input on the mixes for the flaps. I haven't done that yet.
But I mean, it's not affected even.
No. It just bops it around just a tiny bit. Back flaps. Let's see now. We can see the blinking landing. Oh yeah, I can see them. That's cool. Yeah, well actually what I need to do on the flaps is, it's probably not elevator input, I just need to slow the transition.
Yeah.
So it doesn't just like go from point A to point B and then really quick. Yeah, that's what I traditionally do. I literally copy the settings from one plane to another. Well, manually just inputted them.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, it would be a nice transition.
yeah, look at that. That was neat.
Yeah.
As soon as they went up, the tail just kind of whoop. the lift surface changes. That's kind of cool. Well, there's someone flying around. Bigger plane somewhere. Nice, more north to us. Alright, I'm gonna bring her in. My hands get too numb.
Yeah.
Wow. Alright, full flaps. Look at that up. A little rudder turn, a little coordinated rudder turn, sloppy coordinated rudder turn. Alright. And elevator kind of fades away with flaps. Yeah, something to watch for. Cool.